Good morning. Welcome to FEET.Teaching. Today, I will continue with the adverbs of quantity, with count nouns and with non-count nouns. Part 2. On this occasion, you will learn how we use the adverbs too much and too many, as well enough and not enough. And remember to keep in mind that in English they are both countable and uncountable nouns. Some people enjoy buying work of art, collecting antiques, photographs, watches, etc. The problem is when something becomes addictive and compulsive. For this situation, we use the adverbs too much and too many. There's too much information online. I have too many dresses. I need to throw some away. You can also use so much and so many to express that there is too much of something. I have so much work to do. I think I'm going to buy a secretary. There are so many trees in this park. In English, you can use the expression enough or not enough to refer precisely to whether or not you already have the right amount of something you need. I have enough water, thank you. Do you have enough money? There weren't enough cupcakes for everyone. Well, when it's come to delicious food, like cupcakes, I can be hard to say that enough. Well, for now, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Thank you. Remember to like and share our videos. Bye bye!